welcome back to Clueless Cooking. Today we're making pizza.
Okay, you need cheese, tomatoes, and pizza bread. And some tomato paste. To start the tomato sauce to put on top of the pita bread and under the cheese, take some tomatoes. I recommend beef tomatoes because they're beefy. Put them in the blender and blend. Once the tomato sauce is done and pureed with a smooth texture, refrigerate it. Take your tomato sauce. I recommend 1 or 2 good spoonfuls. Using your tomato paste, apply a small base in the center, and then take your more loose tomato sauce and have 1 or 2 spoonfuls. Make sure to get all the way around the edges, not all the way though, because you want to have a nice crust on the ends. 1 spoonful and then a second spoonful. Plop! Second spoonful, and there you go. Pizza. And then
sprinkle on some cheese.
Next, preheat the oven. When it looks done, take it out.